pipe wrench, vice grips, slip joint pliers, adjustable crescent wrench, dikes, post cleaners or terminal brush, utility knife, metal file, lineman's pliers, needle nose pliers, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, channel locks, rubber mallet, hay hooks for ripping couches,
Case hardened.
Teflon tape,
Don't use case hardened steel.
hacksaw, universal spanner wrench,
Yeah, I want to go over the notes I want.
framing hammer,
You're just gonna have
giant sledgehammer,
if you could go over your notes and get a good understanding of what's I mean, the
pig-headed axe,
down at the back.
firefighter's crash axe, flathead axe with a fiberglass handle, Halligans, together, irons,
What is he doing with his right hand?
giant bow cutters,
It's a motion. And he's sliding his hand.
Sliding
pinch point pry bar,
Alright, that's a crowbar.
This is the Hux, right?
sliding ram bar,
Oh no, the Hux is silver.
Well, I mean, you can't. Yeah, the
crowbar,
It's the silver one, right? You gotta say it's the one that looks like ours to it. This sounds cool.
rubbish hook with a D handle,
That's a crowbar. This is
pike pole,
That's all gonna be
D handle,
claw tool.
in our section.
claw tool or claw bar,
Claw bar.